Alright, folks, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you have been watching my series on bash scripting, I've just covered a few topics of advanced bash scripting. Now, I'm just going to show the second part where I'll be doing real world automation mini project. I'm going to use a log analyzer plus and demonstrate to you how this is going to work. So this is my log analysis plus automation script. It will be basically processing the web server logs to extract key metrics. Uh, I'm gonna show how this extract the IP status codes and methods, and which combines these results into a final report. So I will be showing automatic sample log creation. Um, this and also I will show you some sample outputs as well and how you can use this into a real world use case. Okay, so just stay tuned and just keep watching, and thank you for staying on my channel. So for this we have to create a new script and a sample log file. So I'm gonna do dir PLA6 projects log analyzer. Dot log analyzer dot sh dash sample dot log. We're gonna create our script into the log analyzer dot sh. Folks have created our file. Now let's start writing the script. Log analyzer plus real world automation demo is called. Filter sample dot log reports date date Okay, now let's create reports directory including report restore directory. So let's make this directory here that analyzes the logs. So creating the directory, analyzing logs here. So we are doing for top 5 IPs. So echo top 5 IP addresses, AWK command and cat command. For HTTP status codes, we're doing echo status code summary, AWK command, and cat command for log files and text generators as such. Okay, and then we are gonna do some request methods. Uh, so the request methods will be something like this, where you can request an echo e HTTP request methods AWK for log file print to and categories here. So I'm gonna write a script to generate the report. Let's say echo e forward slash equals generating final report code log analysis report dollar date So let's continue on writing for our main execution. So which is gonna look like main execution analyze logs generate report. So let's just save this file and let's do chmod plus x log underscore So let's run this script and see. So it's showing usage log file. Let's see the report. So let's do ls reports slash. So let's save the script file. So let's run the file cbos6 projects analyzer. Slash log. Oh, it says permission denied. Okay, this is probably because I might have not executed it. So let's execute and see. So we're just going to use this chmod and then let's run it fully. Should work. Since it is saying there is some syntax error, let's see what's going on wrong here. Everything here seems to be normal. So let's save and run again and see what's going on. Okay, so as you can see, the executable and run queues as the log analyzer analyzing sample log top 5 IP addresses, HTTP status port summary, HTTP request methods, generating final report, report saved to reports for report text and log analysis and all those details. So let's do some reports, view reports, and then full text. So this is how it looks like. We will do the real world setup. We're gonna do sudo ls minus one where log Apache 2 access dot log. It's asking for the password, which unfortunately I don't remember. Let's say something different. Okay, that's not working. Unfortunately, I don't remember my password, guys. So let's see if this one works. No, even this is asking for password. Uh, so I wanted to show you how the real world setup looks like. So this one will be for production with point into Apache logs and schedule daily runs. But unfortunately, I'm not able to do that right now. Let me see if there is any alternative way I can demonstrate that to you. So we're gonna try and see if there is see to access logs without using the sudo. Let's say ls minus one variable log apache 2 slash